Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today lecture about avoiding plagiarism. So what do we mean by plagiarism? Plagiarism means using someone else's word or idea without properly crediting the original author. Sometimes plagiarism involves deliberately stating someone's work, but often it happens accidentally through carelessness of or forgetfulness. Again, what do we mean by plagiarism? Plagiarism is the illegal act of purposely using another person's writing as your own, or presenting someone else's words or ideas without giving credit for them, is a serious breach of ethics. How does plagiarism result? Many instances of plagiarism are the results of misunderstanding or ignorance of rules and considerations rather than deliberate work of the research to deceive supervisor and other audience readers. What does the use of source materials require? The use of source materials requires conformity to a few rules of conduct, which they are, first of all, acknowledge borrowed material by introducing the quotation or paraphrase with the name of author. Number 2. Enclose all quoted materials within quotation marks. Number 3. Write in your style. Avoiding copy-paste. Again, avoiding copy-paste. Number 4. Provide a bibliography and entry in the work cited for every source cited in the paper. Number 5. Omit sources consulted but not used. Here is some advices to avoid plagiarism. Here is another example. For more information and details, please visit the link in the description box. Thank you and have a good day.